Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to fix the Chevrolet Malibu P305F code. This specific diagnostic trouble code, P305F, points to a performance issue with your vehicle's dual battery control module. It's commonly seen in Malibu models equipped with the convenient auto start-stop feature. Essentially, your engine control module is detecting that the auxiliary battery voltage is dropping too low, often below 8.9 volts, during engine starts. This can lead to your check engine light illuminating and the start-stop system becoming inactive. So, what causes this P305F code? The most frequent culprit is a weak or failing auxiliary battery, typically located in the trunk. However, don't overlook your main battery under the hood. If it's not performing optimally, it can also contribute to the problem. Additionally, loose or corroded battery terminals and ground connections are common issues that disrupt the electrical flow. Sometimes, a simple blown fuse in the battery system or a faulty dual battery control module itself can also trigger this code. To start diagnosing the P305F code, you'll want to begin by thoroughly testing both your main and auxiliary batteries. Many auto parts stores offer this service for free. Next, carefully inspect all battery terminals and ground connections for any signs of looseness or corrosion. Ensure they are clean and tight. It's also wise to check your fuse block for any blown fuses related to the battery system. Finally, verify that the engine wiring harness isn't pinched underneath the main battery tray. Once you've identified the cause, fixing the P305F code often involves replacing a failing auxiliary battery, which is a common and straightforward repair. If you find any loose connections or corroded terminals, clean them thoroughly and ensure they are securely tightened. If both batteries test good and connections are solid, then consider replacing the dual battery control module. To prevent this code from returning, regularly test both batteries and maintain clean, tight electrical connections. This proactive approach will help keep your Malibu running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.